Welcome GeoTrig. It's 5-4, product to sum and sum to product formulas. The essential question is, when is it appropriate to use the product to sum and sum to product formulas? Let's roll. So here you go. These are the product to sum formulas. Just pause and write all these down. Write it very clear, because I'll probably mess it up if you don't. So let's use some of those formulas. So I'm going to use it in this case. The idea is you have two different trig functions, and you're kind of combining them to one. So express this as a sum or difference. Sine of 5x times the sine of 2x. So I'd say my 5x could be the alpha, and the 2x could be a beta. And I'm going to use one of these formulas. Well, they're both sines, so I'm going to use this top one right here. Sine of alpha times sine of beta. So I can write that as 1/2 times the quantity cosine. And I should do it in brackets. The reason it's brackets is because they already have parentheses, just so there's not so many parentheses there. They basically work the same way. So cosine of 5x minus 2x, alpha minus beta, minus cosine of 5x plus 2x. And we can simplify that. So it's 1/2 times the cosine of 5x minus 2x, the cosine of 3x, minus the cosine of 5x plus 2x. So I can write this as 7x. I guess I'll put these in parentheses to be consistent. That's all you need. Let's try another one. Expect this is a sum or difference. Cosine of 7x and cosine of x. So I'll call this my alpha, call this my beta. So cosine is going to be the second one right here. So it's 1/2 times the quantity of cosine of alpha minus beta, so 7x minus x, plus cosine of alpha plus beta, so 7x plus x. And that's going to simplify to 1/2 times cosine of 6x plus cosine of 8x. That's it. Let's look at some other things. Hey, look, sum to product formulas. Write all this stuff down. Let's start this. Express the sum as a product. Sine of 7x plus sine of 3x. So which one do I use? Well, that top one, sine of alpha and beta. So 7x my alpha, 3x is my beta. So that's going to equal 2 times sine of alpha plus beta, 7x plus 3x, over 2. Oh, I don't like that parenthesis right there. Should have done a big one. Let's rewrite that. It's 3x plus 2 times cosine of 7x minus 3x over 2. So let's simplify some of that. So it's going to be 2 times the sine of 7x plus 3x, so 10x over 2, times cosine of 4x, 7 minus 3 over 2. Simplify that a little bit more, so it'll be 2 times the sine of 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5x, cosine of 2x. That's it. Sweet. Let's try another one. Cosine of 3x plus cosine of 2x. That's going to be this guy right here, that third one. So 2 times the cosine of alpha plus beta, so 3x plus 2x over 2. Cosine of alpha minus beta, 3x minus 2x. Ooh, that does not look like a 3 over 2. Let's simplify that a little bit as much as we can. 2 times cosine of 3x plus 2x is 5x over 2 times cosine of 3 minus 2x over 2. Now, you can't distribute this 2 in. That doesn't work. This is an input to a cosine function. Can't just multiply the input by 2. So we're done just like that. That's it.